Today for the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is here right now, squeezed until the end of the triangle. This is exactly what we have been waiting for. And I will be telling you exactly what we are expecting here for the Bitcoin price, whether it's going to be a breakout or a breakdown. And of course, we are about to show you also our specific adjusted price level for the Bitcoin price right now. But even more important, guys, I'm gonna be showing you the two most important Bitcoin charts to consider right now, not only about the miners capitulation, the hash ribbon, but also I'm about to show you this unprecedented situation right now for Bitcoin. More and more US dollar tether are being printed while, and look at this news just broke yesterday, the Bitcoin exchange balance here right now reaching a 2 years low for Bitcoin yesterday. We will be talking about that, and we will be of course also talking about this specific chart here indicating that Bitcoin is at a crucial tipping point here, starting within the next few weeks. Most probably its parabolic uprun towards a price level which we will mention here towards the end of the video. So if you are excited already, make sure you take a seat, make sure you scroll down, you smash up the like button for that video to at least 3,000 to 3,500 likes, and of course we will provide the timestamps in the pinned comment here down below if you click on more. And that being said, welcome crypto fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Okay guys, as always we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price, and as you can see we are coming here right now in the last 20% of this triangle, and you know we have been waiting for that. You know we have not been trading these fake outs because we only want to trade breakouts towards the end of the triangle, since they are much more powerful, much more accurate, and soon the time will finally come. We will be talking about right now what this is all about and what is more likely, the breakout, the breakdown, of course the price target, and much more. Stay here until the end of the video guys, because the charts I'm about to show you today, I think the three charts I'm about to show you are the most powerful ones, the most exciting ones, and the most bullish ones anyone can show you right now. Stay here until the very end of the video guys. This will completely blow your mind, hands down. I'm promising that to you right now. First of all, I wanted to start here on the 4-hourly candles. Pulling out the EMA ribbon, you can see that Bitcoin is still currently supported here since a very long time on the 4-hourly EMA ribbons. One time we actually broke below, but the Bitcoin price just went above again. If I'm zooming out here also on the 4-hourly and I'm pulling out the VPVR, you can basically see that this one is also in very nice alignment here with the point of control on the VPVR. So we are getting squeezed here until the end of this triangle, which furthermore increases the likelihood a little bit more that we are breaking towards the upside. I saw another very legit TA here recently from Carl from the Moon here, that this might be also a diamond pattern, which is of course a bearish scenario. You can let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. That would be very interesting. But for now, this looks not all too bad, guys. And you remember also our measured move price target. It is right now, I have been drawing these lines a little bit more accurately, especially here with the recent consolidation. And if this is no redrawn, the nice news is that in case we are breaking out and in case we are breaking down, the targets have changed a little bit. So if we are zooming out here, you can see that our breakout target towards the upside is now exactly at the CME gap above us. You know that we have a CME gap at 11,800 US dollars approximately. So in case we are breaking out, this would be perfectly matched here. In case we are breaking down, there's another CME gap below us, also at 7,500, which is the breakout target to the downside. And it completely blows my mind how these targets are perfectly in alignment with the CME gap above us and below us. But you can let me know which we are about to fill next. Will it be the 7,500 gap or the 11,800 gap? Let me know in the poll which is popping up on top of the screen right now. I would be very interested to know that. In my opinion, and of course it's not only because I'm a moon boy and I have a bullish bias, which is in case the truth, but only looking at the fundamentals, which I will show you here in the second part of the video, and also on the technicals, the likelihood is here higher to break out towards the upside. But of course, if it's 70-30, for example, 3 out of 10 cases are a breakdown. So we have to be prepared prepared for that scenario as well. With my long-term portfolio, I'm holding here for the longer term. With the short-term trading portfolio, I'm not doing anything until we break out and we confirm the breakout. This is very important. Even though I'm here slightly bullishly tilted towards the upside, I'm not going into this long trade right now, guys. Please take care about that for your own trading strategy. But what I really wanted to talk about today with you guys is not only this hash ribbons chart, but even more important, this specific chart here. And also, guys, this chart, I want to show it to you. I just posted it like a few minutes ago, and it has approximately 90 likes already here in a few minutes. So make sure you wait for that, but I will show it towards the end of the episode. First of all, you can see the famous hash ribbons here right now, slightly tilting towards the upside. Also, if I'm going here in this Tradingview chart and I'm pulling out the hash ribbons, you can see that here on the 4-hourly candles that look, right now it is slightly going up already. It is only a question of time. My own personal prediction is within the next 9 to 15 days, we will see the next buy indication flipping here. We have shown that here also in our chart here on Twitter. By the way, follow us at MMCrypto here. And you can see whenever this short-term moving average goes above the long-term moving average, we are seeing this, this specific buy indication. And we have been consolidating that in this trade. So we had three halvings before. The first halving in November 2012 had the buy indicator here in February 2013 of 5,700%. Then the next halving in July 2016 had the buy indicator here, this specific one afterwards, with a gain to peak of 3,200%. And this one will flip most probably also in June this month here. And of course, the percentage, we will have to see how high the gain to peak will be. My own personal prediction is at least 1,500%. So the next all-time high will be, in my opinion, at least $150,000. If not higher, of course, depending here on the exogenous risks. If we are seeing a hyperinflation, a super cycle, these numbers can be much higher. But guys, this is what I want you to take away from that video, besides the other chart I'm gonna be showing to you. Because we have been talking about the balance on exchanges a few times already. And what you can see here is, and we plotted that for you on Glassnode. By the way, free Glassnode sign up link in the pinned comment down below. You can see here this brown line is the balance on exchanges. And look how we covered it the first time at this specific area here. And ever since then, we went lower and lower and lower. And look at this. We reached a 2-year low on the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. And basically, the balance on exchanges is the supply of Bitcoin, which goes into the play between the supply and demand. Because for finding a price, a market price of Bitcoin, of course, we need people willing to sell, people willing to sell, having their Bitcoin on exchanges. And they are continuously withdrawing their Bitcoin from exchanges. And at the exact same time, you can see here the Tether US dollar, the USDT circulating current supply is going higher and higher. It already overtook the Ripple market cap. And it is here right now, just recently, it flipped above $9 billion at the same time when the balance on exchanges is going lower, guys. Please count 1 and 1 together. But what I wanted to share with you also is this brand new metric here on Glassnode. And they have, big shout out to Glassnode. Their data is incredible. We are using it. You can use it with our free sign up link down below. They have a paid option, but they also have a free option with basic data. And what you can see here is the miners to exchanges. So miners are mining Bitcoin. Before the halving, they got 1,800 Bitcoin per day. After the halving, this was halved to 900 Bitcoin per day. But if you are zooming in here, you can see that the transfer volume of miners to exchanges right now is at 130 to 180 Bitcoin per day. So they are right now only selling 15 to 20% of the Bitcoin they mined. Guys, we are always talking about the miners dumping on exchanges. They are dumping on us. They are not at all dumping on us. Ever since the halving here, this was continuously going lower. And right now, this is the proof. The miners are only selling 15 to 20% of the Bitcoin they mined. And keep in mind what Grayscale is doing. Grayscale has been, ever since the halving was happening, buying 1.5x of the new circulating supply of Bitcoin. So in fact, we have a negative inflation now, at least when it comes to the Bitcoin available on the open marketplace, because the miners are not selling, and because, one institution alone is buying more Bitcoin than they are being mined. So this one, of course, furthermore increases the scarcity of Bitcoin. And guys, if that wouldn't be enough, I want to talk about this specific chart, because this specific chart here, our tweet here got already nearly 100 likes within 40 minutes. And we will talk about why this is so powerful and why this is indicating that we will reach prices of $70,000, $100,000, $150,000 much sooner than expected. I will be telling you exactly what that means here. By the way, guys, you are the best. You have been smashing up the like button like crazy. Thank you so much for your support, especially during these shadow ban times. It is truly appreciated. And guys, look at this. I mean, we have been seeing a significant increase of likes here. So thank you so much for smashing up the like button and also subscribing to us. We saw our subscribers count just shot up through the roof. And also, guys, you make sure that you get this video time sensitively pushed to you when we are uploading that. So thank you so much. It is truly not going unnoticed. I wanted to share something with you because people have been reaching out to us and they have been asking us, why have you been talking about DueDEX recently? Well, we are trading on 3 different exchanges here, and DueDEX is one of them. And the reason for that is not only simply that we want to decentralize our trading. No, the reason why we took them as our sponsor here and why we took them as the third exchange was not only the highest bonus available right now for everyone. No, guys, the reason was the DueDEX risk manager, and I wanted to introduce it to you quickly because I think, in my opinion, this is one of the most useful things right now. Since you know leverage trading is very risky, you want to have a tool in place which helps you to manage your risk, which helps you to calculate exactly how much money, how much equity of mine am I willing to risk at a specific trade. And this risk manager, stick here until the end of the video. I will be showing you this specific chart. Stick here until the end. This risk manager includes 3 important factors. So the first one is a take profit in percentage. The second one is a stop loss in percentage. And here, listen guys, the third one is the quantity of order based on a specific risk level. And it is very easy to apply that, very easy to use. The first thing you can basically do here, if you are going on the DueDEX platform, link in the pinned comment down below. By the way, if you deposit 0.2 Bitcoin, you get $100. And this is the highest bonus available on all exchanges right now. If you deposit 0.5 Bitcoin, you get $200 for free. And if you are selecting buy and sell here on leverage, you can not only select your leverage, and please note, don't take a leverage higher than 50 or 100x. I actually don't recommend that doing that at all. I'm using a 5x, 10x, 15x, in the highest case 20x, but usually I'm using 5, 10, 15x, guys. Manage your risk properly, but they don't support 50 and 100x for that risk manager, and I'm not using it anyways. I wouldn't recommend you using it because you will get wiped out very quickly. So use your own leverage, let's say 10x here, like you can see it in this picture. Then select your order type. Most of the times we are using a limit order. In case we are having a breakout, confirming the breakout, we are using a market order, but most of the times I would suggest you using the limit order, and then set your take profit and your stop loss. And the beauty about that is you can just swipe here, or you can put it in yourself and tell exactly at what specific take profit do I want to take my profits, and also, and this is the most important thing, how much money am I willing to risk in this specific trade. And you can see here, you can just swipe to, let's say, 27.5%, and you can make sure whenever the price goes down to a 27.5% loss at your specific leverage, you will be stopped out at this specific risk. So when you are putting in your risk, your trade, you know my maximum risk is, for example, 27.5%. And this is actually very nice. Then you can set the quantity of your order, and in the end you just place your order. You know exactly when am I going to take profits, when am I going to be stopped out here, and what is my maximum risk. If you want to take advantage of that, scroll down and click on this link here. Thank you very much for DueDEX here for partnering up and also sponsoring our channel here today for this specific episode. And remember guys, we have the highest bonus here negotiated for you. You don't find that somewhere else, only with our link. Click the link, email address, password, and after 0.2 Bitcoin deposit, $200 completely for free. But this is what I have been waiting for here, guys. This is what I want you to take away from this specific episode. And this specific chart here shows the first cycle in blue, the second cycle in yellow, in orange, and this is the third cycle. We have been showing it to you here 2 days ago. But this one furthermore shows you guys, we are right now at a crucial tipping point. And if you look at the last cycles, exactly at these days after the halving, and also here, look at this. This is day 0. This is the most important point actually. After the halving, we always took off. We always went here off to the races here in the first cycle, which was the most explosive one, and in the second cycle. And you can see here a deep correlation of the performance of Bitcoin between the green line, the blue line, and also the orange line. People are saying things are different, but I'm telling you, the history rhymes right now. And of course, it can change in the future, but only looking left to the chart, looking at the history, right now it does not seem like something is about to change here. And if the history is going to repeat or rhyme, we will see something similar to this. And this is what I'm calling right now. I think the gain to peak, the multiple, will be lower. But of course, percentage-wise only, in absolute numbers it will be higher, and it will come later. However, from now on we will see, in my opinion, bullish price action for Bitcoin, at least on the weekly and on the monthly candles. But you can let me know what you think about that. Scroll down to the pinned comment and let me know what you think about it. Also follow us at MMCrypto here to get these crucial time-sensitive updates here up to date in the immediate second we are posting it. And look at this here, guys. Of course, this one is here. Big credits to, what is it? This is the company Cane Island Digital Research, and they have been using something similar. And this is the reason why I'm bringing up this specific chart here once again. And what they are saying is we are weeks away from 75,000, and the reason for this is because they have also seen that we are right now here with this blue line. It is not perfectly visible, but it's this light blue line here, that we are at this tipping point here right now. And if history repeats, we will see, in their opinion, $75,000 within a week. And of course, this is very far-fetched, but I wanted to know from you guys here now in the second poll of today, and this is the last video where polls will be possible, or the second last video. YouTube will diminish these polls, unfortunately, as a function. I wanted to know from you guys, do you think $75,000 is possible for this year? Click the poll which is popping up on top of the screen right now and let me know, yes or no, is 75,000 possible for this year? I myself, I'm not so sure about that, guys, even though I'm a very bullish moon boy here, but you can let me know in the poll. That would be very interesting to know, guys. And of course, as an ending point here, I wanted to share something with you because people are very bearish. And of course, I do understand that, since the last 2 years were not easy. If we are scrolling down here at the tweet of Plan B, $100 trillion. I mean, everyone who is here since more than 2 years, you saw the CME futures launch. We had a dump. You saw the US government cracking down on ICOs. We saw another dump. You saw the SEC saying, okay, we will not have an ETF. Another dump. You saw the Bitcoin SV fork here with Craig Wright flooding the whole community. Another dump. And then you saw the back futures. Everyone was waiting for it. Well, and then you saw the back futures. Everyone was waiting for it. Well, we had another dump. And guys, of course, the famous in March, the famous Corona dump, man. I mean, everyone is here. You have been punished. You have been hit here by these horrible events for Bitcoin. And still we are at $10,000 US. I mean, look at this. Bitcoin is such a strong asset. The risk return ratio is great. And also it was one of the strongest assets ever since we had this coronavirus breakdown from 3.8K to 10,000, 11,000 US. I mean, guys, this is absolutely crazy. And what I wanted to show you here is our trade, which went surprisingly well with already almost 800 likes. We shared that yesterday, and we shared the top investments of the last decade. Always zoom out, guys. When people are flooding you, when people are telling you Bitcoin is going to zero, just zoom out, show them the monthly chart, show them the yearly chart, and they will probably understand, because Bitcoin has been the most profitable asset in the last decade. 62,500% here for Bitcoin. Ethereum, 18,000%. Netflix, 4,280%. Amazon, 1,250%. And Apple. I mean, even if if you compare to Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Google, and so on, Bitcoin is still the most profitable one. And I certainly think in the next decade, we will still be the most profitable one. But you can let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. And very important, guys, please scroll down, smash up the like button for that video. This would be truly appreciated here, guys. You are really supporting us. I have been seeing that our likes are just skyrocketing recently, and this is only because of you. So thank you so much for that. You are the best here. So thank you so much for watching also, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.